You are going to love the 2025 Silverado 2500 HD. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find push-button start, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.